Good morning, my name is Maria Jose Mora and it is up to me present paper 5, Improvement of Thermal Efficiency in Cement Mortars by using synthetic feldspars. Taking into account that in this work substitution of the sand has been carried out by synthetic feldspar in order to improve the witness of mortars and modified its thermal properties, claiming that feldspars are natural materials. They are the minerals abundant in natural, and he was mortar quite in favors that reduction of the energy cost of the building by reducing that need for air conditioning in summer. As a consequence, the wet mortars have a positive impact in reducing emission by the use of fossil fuels. Regarding the experimental producer in materials, white Portland cement was used in this style, and another type feldspar based glass ceramic to replace normalized sand composition of white cement and synthetic feldspar. And the preparation of the mortar was 16 cm. Mortar was prepared with the composition taken in table 3. Compositions were prepared with substitution of 0, 25, 50, 75, and 100% by weight of sand by feldspar and were named 55 is and 25 if, 50 is, 50 if, 25 is, and 70 if, and 0 is, 100 if, respectively. The method used in them, where the compressive strength has been carried out, the UNAN 195 run standard on 16 Semins. The ISR tests were carried out by introducing the prepared mortar specimens into an autoclave at 130 1.7 bar pressure for 5 hours in order to accelerate as possibly alkali-alkalis reactions that could occur. The dimensions of sampler were measured before and after 50 days of testing according to the ESTM C 1778 standard biosset of its own inspection of 50 days and the same. Results and discussion mechanical strength proposed IRS test. The figure shows the results obtained by compression test for each composition and the reference mortar sample. 100S 0F was the one that showed the best mechanical behavior in this test, based on mechanical results obtained. It was decided to focus the functional analysis only of the registered specialists on the compositions. In optical measures, the standardized method for solar absorbance, reflectance, and transmitting of melting using integral shapers and thermal profiles results and conclusions. And has been successfully replaced white cement by synthetic glass ceramic feldspar in the order to improve witness and thermal and optical properties. It's finally over. The substitution warrants the resistance of the mortars due to need to increase the yield ratio, which produces an increase in porosity.